Hi everyone, welcome back to Just Doing Nails, and today I'm going to be reviewing Modelones UV LED Gel Nail Polish, and it's a collection of 6. Hi everyone, thank you for joining me for another video today. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing Modelones 6-piece gel nail polish, like I said. Also, I want to take this time to remind people to go ahead and subscribe if you haven't subscribed to Just Doing Nails by now. If you enjoy nail product reviews, nail hacks, just anything to do with nails, this would be a great channel for you to go ahead and subscribe to. So let's get into this review. So I unboxed it, and it comes with a thank you for your order card. It kind of shows the gel polishes and how they kind of look, but that's what I'm here for. I'm going to show you how they actually look. So let's get into the first color. This color is called Magnet, and this is just a close-up. It's kind of like a metallic purple, and I'm going to use my color wheel today. And then I'm going to cure that first coat for 30 seconds. And voila, it's already cured like magic. So if you guys see this first color, it's really nice. It's really just very subtle. And I went ahead and did a second coat as well. So this is the second coat. It really shows the color on the second coat, as you can see. And I went ahead and did a comparison from the first coat to the second coat. These are both lovely colors, so I guess it just depends on what color you feel like going for. You could do one coat or you could do 2. And now our second color here is called Diamond. And here's a close-up of it. As you can see, it's like a glitter color. For me personally, you can't really go too wrong with glitter colors. So I put the first coat on. I wasn't very impressed, but you know, with glitter colors, you do got to add 2 coats usually. So here is the final color. I put 2 coats on, and as you see, it really matches the bottle. So it was very true to the color that it advertised, and I really like it. So our next color here is Black. And I'll just give you guys a close-up here. It's just the color black. And I will say with this color though, I have had a couple of other black gel polishes, and I've had trouble with the opacity of them. They did not come out very opaque, meaning that you would have to add multiple layers to them in order for you not to see through them. But this one, I only put 1 coat on it, and it came out great. As you see, you can't see through it. It's just the color. It is what it is, and I really liked it. Okay, our next color is called Chameleon, and it's like a blue kind of night sky kind of look. But this one is a heat changing color. So the color that I'm putting on now is going to be different after it gets out of the nail lamp, because it is affected by the temperature. So right now we have this like blue night starry sky look, and on the left here you see that's how it's gonna look after the temperature of it gets heating up. So I thought that was really cool. So next is another one called Chameleon, and I'm not sure if I applied this right or used it right, but this is the color that it starts off with, and this is the first coat of it. It didn't really change color underneath the lamp or anything like that, and that's it with the second coat. As you see, it doesn't match the bottle, so maybe there was something I was missing on this bottle, on this polish. Leave me a comment down below if you know what it is I missed. I would greatly appreciate it. So the last color here is Rainbow, and it's this really nice sparkly purple kind of pink color, and I only had to do 1 coat of that one, and it came out really nice. So Once again, these colors are Magnet, Chameleon, Black, Diamond, Chameleon again, and Rainbow. You guys, let me know what colors were your favorite down in the comments below. I would really like to hear some feedback about it. Also, if you enjoyed this review and you want to see more nail review products, more nail hacks, go ahead and subscribe to Just Doing Nails Now. I would really appreciate it, and it would really help my channel grow. I'll see you guys next time.